I thought of to starting something on my own. So I started this Silicon Software Services with a couple of friends with my brother. So right now we are giving a training to colleges for the placements. They get placed in a TCS, Wipro, and many companies. We give a training. So we are into this last 7 to 8 years, and we train across almost Tamil Nadu, all the colleges, and we used to come to Trivandrum, and we also give a training to Trivandrum few colleges. So I have to thank Mr. Nandan sir, because he gave me this opportunity to talk to you. Okay, thank you so much. So with that, let me start. I think I'm audible, right? I'm audible, and this is okay, right? So let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, please. Hold on for a moment. I think you can see my screen, right? Yes. I think people can unmute and talk to me, rather than every time you keep pinging, and I may not be able to come back and see the screen. So I request you to and just unmute and talk to me, yes or no, or something like that. Okay, please. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, that due to this pandemic, I had to come to my native place, because I'm not able to stay at Chennai and Madurai, so I had to come to my native place. I'm sitting at my native place, and my native place is near Trichy, so that it is a village which is from about some 50-60 kilometers from Trichy. So I had to stay at my place. If I sit at inside my house, I'm not getting the proper connection, so I had to sit out of my house. So sometime you will get some small disturbance or some other sounds. Please bear with me, because in villages might you get some kind of disturbance, but other than that it is okay. So anything else? Okay, is it I'm audible? Are you able to see my screen? The screen is visible. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Really, I will not disappoint you, and I'm going to teach you the I just wanted to, I'll definitely teach you the programming, how it works and all that. I'm going to teach you the fundamental. From there I'm going to start. Definitely this will be an interesting. Okay, fine. So let's code actually. Basically, what is the problem when I go to colleges? I see people are weak in fundamental, but they'll try to write a code. In fact, this this next month, 24, 25, 26, the TCS code beta is going to happen. I hope you could have heard this name. Could have heard this announcement. They are going to start this. They're going to start this. 1 minute, please. Okay, some announcement is comes. Please hold on. Okay. Okay, I hope I'm audible, right? I'm audible, right? There's no problem, right? Everyone can hear me, right? Yes or no? At least any one of you tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So hold on for a moment. Okay, good. So let me start with this code. So I'll give you 1 minute. 1 minute to tell me what would be the output for this program. I'll give you 1 minute. You can tell me what are you expecting for this program output. So whatever it is, doesn't matter. You can imagine whatever it is, what would be the output for this program. Okay. Anybody? What would be the output for this program? Can somebody unmute and tell me? What are you expecting this? Can somebody unmute and tell me?
So developing some basic coding skill set.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Develop some basic coding skill set.
Okay, you want me to teach you from this basics, right?
Not clearly from the basics, like the
Okay,
kind of questions that come for interview, for coding test and all.
Yes, of course I'm going to teach you, but because before that I just wanted to make sure that what extent the basics and fundamentals. So I thought of that. Okay, let me know what extent and what is your basic level of understanding. I thought that's why I started with asking a question, nothing else. I'm not going to. I'm going to teach you from there only. Okay. Anyhow, I just wanted to know what is the output. What are you expecting? Just need
Sir, is it one?
Okay, that's good. People are thinking it is one. Okay, very good. Any other attempt? So no problem it is. Let it be fine. Whatever it is, any guess or anything, whatever it is, just tell me. One or two, just.
Sir, is it 6?
Okay, 6. Okay. Any other?
1 to 5.
Okay, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Okay, great. Okay, fine. So before coming to this question, can I talk about it? What is an array? What is this and all that? Can we talk about it and then can we come back to this one? Can we? Shall we?
Yes, sir.
That will be the better idea because that will be the best idea because and what we basically will stuck with this 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, I'll just open and I'll start with. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. One minute. Okay, I'm just opening my screen. Takes 1 or 2 minutes. Just that's it. Okay, still it's opening. Still it's opening. Why this much time it takes? I don't know. Just hold on. Okay. So by the way, let it opens. That's fine. I might explain a little more. Actually, what is an array? Let me explain with an example array. Okay, suppose I have an array. Consider I have this is my array. Okay, consider this is my array. 4, 8, 3, 6, 2, and this is my array. How it looks? How it looks exactly? Let me explain. This is how it looks. So the value stores 1, 2, 3. This is how. The array name is A. The array name is A, and then the 4 will store at this place. 8 will store at this place, 3 will store at this place, 6 will store at this place, 2 will store at this place. The index position for this array is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, for integer, please understand this is very important. For integer, the memory size for integer is how much, the memory size for integer is going to be 4 byte. The memory size for integer is going to be 4 byte. Please understand. So consider I'm taking this address as suppose like 2000. This address is going to be 2004. This address is going to be 2008. This address is going to be 2012. This address is going to be 2016. Okay, I think that will. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, it has come. So let me use this. So before going into this array, let me start with pointers. Hope people heard about this name pointers, right? I have some idea about pointers, right? Pointers, right? Have any idea about pointers in C programming? Hello? Someone talk to me, please. Hello? Someone, can you please talk to me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes, sir,
me?
we can.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Suppose I have a variable int a equal to 28. Suppose this is my variable. The pictorial representation for this variable, pictorial representation. So let me take, this is going to be a pictorial representation for this variable a equal to 28. So how it looks, a is this and 28 goes inside this, and this is 41218. You may ask me a question, sir, how did you put this address 41218? This is the assumed address. Let me assume this is the address for this variable. So this is the address. And you should understand two important things. This is ampersand and this is star. The ampersand, what it is going to gives me, what it is going to gives me address of a variable. This is going to gives me the address of a variable, and this is going to gives me the what? Gives me the value of the variable. Value of the variable. Please understand, these two are very important to remember, and these two are very fundamental for pointers. Ampersand and star. Ampersand gives me the address value, and then ampersand gives me the address, and star will gives me the value. So here I'm going to write a code. I'm writing it a printf statement. People know the basics of C, so that it is going to be this integer. For integer, the format specifier is what? Integer, the format specifier is going to be %d. %d. So I'm putting %d /n. So I'm giving a. Can someone tell me what is the output for this printf statement I'll get? Can someone tell me what is the output for this printf statement I'll get?
28.
Can someone tell me what is the output for this printf statement I'll get? Okay, 28. Very good. So let me do one more printf statement. I'm giving ampersand A. Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this ampersand A? Can someone tell me what is the answer from? Yes, according to me, it is 41218 because you know the address which I am assuming is 41218. Since I print the address, so I have to put percentage U or percentage P. Either this or that I have to put. Percentage U meant for what? You know, this is unsigned. This is unsigned, the percentage U. Because you know this, the address is always will be what? Address is always positive. Address always positive. Address always positive and address always whole number. Address always whole number. Hope you understand. Hope you understand. Yes or no? The points. Hope you understand or not? Yes or no? Someone talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And I'm putting one more thing. Please look at this. I'm giving. See, this is ampersand A. On top of it, I'm putting star. Can someone tell me what would be the result for this? Can someone tell me what would be the result for this? Ampersand A and top of it star.
28.
Ampersand A and top of it star. Yes, 28. Why it is? Because this ampersand, yeah, ampersand A will give me the values address, on top of it the values. Because you know, the ampersand A is nothing but what? Here it is 41218. Star of ampersand A is nothing but what? Star of 41218 top of the value. I mean, this is the address on top of the value, which is nothing but how much it is? 28. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes or no? Then it is going to be percentage D. And tell me this. Tell me this. Star ampersand A on top of it ampersand. Star on top of A ampersand A. What is this result? Can you tell me what is the answer for this? See, I'm keeping what is this place again. I'm keeping this place again ampersand. Can you tell me what is this result? Can you tell me what is
412.
what is it meaning? Ampersand A means what it is? 41218. Star ampersand A means what is 28. So again I'm doing what? Ampersand of 28. Ampersand of 28 means what? Again the address. So again I'm going to get what? 41218. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? This is also going to be the address. Since it is going to be the address, I'm going to give what? It is percentage. Hope you understand.
Yes.
Hold on for a moment. There is an announcement, please. Okay. I hope you understand this, right? For a pointers, you should know this. Okay. I hope you understand. Yes or no? Any doubt? Anything would you like to want me to explain? Can I explain one more program? Okay. This is again from the int main. Okay. Please. This is very important. I mean, let me do it. Okay. I have a variable int a equal to suppose 14. How the pictorial representation goes? A, this is 14 and this is 21218. Suppose 21218 is, let me assume this is the assumed address. Consider this is the assumed address. You want me to like explain this way, or you want me to write a solving program, or what do you want me to do? Can you someone suggest me? So if you say like you solve some problems or which are related to company's perspective, or you want me to explain the fundamentals, what you want me to do? Tell me, then do it accordingly. So if you want me to solve some problem directly, I'll go into it. Or you want me to talk about some data structure, I'll go directly into it. Is there any, or else it is okay? I'm introducing a variable which is a P. This variable is what? Sorry? P is the pointer.
Fundamental 10 questions.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Please, once again.
First you teach fundamentals, then complete
Okay.
questions.
Okay. That's fine. Can I go this way? Okay, this is the fundamental for pointers. The P is the pointer variable. Everyone understand, right? This P is the pointer variable. Why? Because it is star. Star comes, so it becomes a pointer variable. You should understand, very important. So since I'm giving integer star P, so I have to give the pictorial representation. This is all. The P points this. Again, this also will have the address 428. So how did you take this address? All addresses are assumed 1. All addresses are assumed 1. Assumed address. I'm not taking exactly what is the address. I'm just assuming these are the address. Again, one more important note you should remember this. Pointer variable always accept address. Please understand. Pointer variable always accept address. Accept address. This is one of the very important note. So I'm going to take what? P equal to ampersand A. If I do so, what happens? This place will be 21218. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Do you understand? Do you understand pictorial representation as such?
Yes, sir.
Pictorial representation. This is the pictorial representation for the pointers. Do you understand or not? So now I'm going to do the printf statement. You have to tell me the answer for this. Okay. I'm giving ampersand P. Can someone tell me what is the answer for this line? Can someone tell me what is the answer? What is that? 31428. Why it is 31428? Because ampersand gives me the address. The P's address. The P's address. P's address is how much it is? 31428. Since it is going to be address, the format specifier should be the percentage U. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Or P. Either P or U. It's okay. Format specifier. Okay or you understand this? Yes or no, boss?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Okay. Now you tell me star ampersand P. What is the result for this? Star and on top of what is the result for this?
21218.
You can tell me. See, star P means what? Ampersand P means what? Ampersand P means 31428. On top of it, the value. On top of it, the value is what? 21218. 21218. 21218 is the again address of this A variable. So this also is going to be an address. Then it is going to be what? Percentage U. Am I right or wrong? It also should be percentage U. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'm giving this one. Star, star, ampersand P. Now you tell me what is the output. Star, star, and then ampersand P.
14.
How much it is?
14.
14. Why it is? You know, ampersand P is going to be 31428. So again, ampersand P on top of it star, which is nothing but what? Star of 31428. Then you will get what? The value of this. The value of this is going to be what? 21218. Again, I'm putting what? Star of star ampersand P, which is nothing but what? Star of this value. This value is how much it is going to be? 21218. Right? Am I right or wrong? 21218. The value of this is going to be how much? The value of this is going to be how much? That is going to be 40. So here it is going to be percentage D. Can you tell me what is this answer? And the next one is going to be, what is the value of P? What is the value for this line? What is the value of this line? P. Look at this line number 3.
21.
Look at the line number 3. So I'm assigning the address of A to B. I'm assigning the address of A to B. Since I'm assigning the address of A to B, the P holds how much it is? A's address. What does it mean? 21218. Do you all understand? Am I going okay or you don't understand? You want me to explain once again, or is it speed? I mean, am I going speed or it is okay? Anything else you want? Specific or small crowd? I mean, everyone should understand. Is there anything to tell me? Why is it? You can tell me anything, sir. Little slow or fast. I don't need this and anything you can tell me. Is there anything like that you wanted to tell me? Hello? Hello? Star P. Can you tell me what is the value of star P? Can you tell me what is the value of star P? Can you tell me what is the value of star P? I'm asking star
40.
P. Star P is nothing but
Okay.
what? Star of ampersand A. Star of ampersand A means what? Ampersand A means this 21218 on top of it star, which is nothing but what? I'll get 14. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? For this many printf statement, my result is how much? 31428, 21218, and it is going to be 14, and it is going to be 21218, and it is going to be 14. Do you understand, or it is going fast, or what is it? Are you able to catch me? Are you able to understand? Please tell me if I want me to teach you little slow. Okay, fine. So let me talk about pointer of pointer. Let me talk about pointer of pointer, which is nothing but double pointer. which is nothing but double pointer. Okay, here look at this. I have a main method. Here look at this. I have a main method. So here I have what, into a equal to 42, suppose. Since it is going to be 42, a is this and 42 will store at this place. The address is going to be suppose 32324 assumed address. I have what, into star p. Since this is going to be p is going to be this. Suppose 41218. And I have one more pointer variable, suppose star y. Here I have what, y. Suppose 54325. All addresses are assumed 1. All addresses are assumed 1. Please understand this. Okay. Now you tell me what is the output, and you have to tell me each and every places what would be the output. So let's talk about it. Percentage. I don't put what is it. I'm going to put ampersand y. Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this ampersand y? Analyze and tell me. Which means what? Ampersand y means what? Y is address. Y is address is what? And before that, I could have assigned something. Here I have to do assignments. The P will assign ampersand A. Because it is a single point will always accept the variable's address. So this is going to be how much it is? 32324. The next line should be what? Y. Y should assign because it is a double pointer. Double pointer will always accept only the single pointer address. So it is going to be ampersand P. Then it is going to be how much? 41218. This I forgot to put it. These two lines has to come in between. After that only the printf has to come. Do you understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? So now tell me what is the ampersand y? Ampersand y is nothing but y is address. So which means y is address is how much it is now? 54325.
54325.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you understand? Then this is going to be percentage u or percentage d. It should be percentage u. Am I right? Am I right or wrong, boss? Am I right or wrong? Okay. Let me put one more thing. /n, and you have to tell me star ampersand y. Can someone tell me what is star ampersand y will be? This will give me what? Ampersand y will give me 54325 on top of the value. Star means on top of the value. How much it is? 41218. So this is also going to be an address, then it is going to be percentage u. And tell me one more. This is, suppose if I star ampersand y. What is this? Star ampersand y. This is going to be how much? 54325 on top of the value. This is going to be 41218. Again, this is 41218 on top of the value. 41218 on top of the value is how much? How much? 32324. Are you able to, get my point, or you still have a doubt? Can I explain it once again? Ampersand y is nothing but how much it is? 54325, and then star ampersand y, which is nothing but star of how much? 54325. So now I'm going to do what? This is the value on top of it, which is nothing but how much it is? 4141218. So again I'm giving what? Star of ampersand y. Already I know that star of ampersand y is how much it is? 41218. So I'm going to put 41218 on top of this. So now you tell me what is the value on top of it? 41218. 41218 on top of value is 3234. 32324. So I'm printing. So this is also going to be an address. So that I'm putting percentage u. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, boss?
Sure.
Again, star ampersand y. I'm putting 3 star and then ampersand y. Can someone tell me what would be the answer?
42.
Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this? See, like already I know this. I know this value is how much. This value is how much? 32324. This value is 32324. So again I'm putting one more star 32324. Can someone tell me what is the value of 32324? This is the value 42. So I'll get 42. Since it is going to be value, it is going to be percentage d. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Okay. And I would like to give you two more printf statement. Can I give?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give a few more printf statement. I just wanted to do it. You are going to tell me the answer and tell me what is the answer for this y. What is the answer for this y?
41218.
Look at this. What is the value the p holds? P's address. What is the value the y holds? P's address. P's address is how much it is?
41218.
41218. 41218. And this is address, so I'm putting percentage u. And again, this is, look at this and tell me. Suppose if I put star y, can someone tell me what would be the answer for this? Star y. Y is nothing but P's address t. See, star y is nothing but star of what? Ampersand p. Am I right or wrong? So the star p is nothing but how much? Star p. Ampersand p is nothing but how much it is? 41218. So I need to know the value on top of it. 41218 value is how much it is? 32324. This place I have to print 32324, right? Yes or no? And this is also going to be the address. So I'm giving one more percentage slash n, and then I'm giving star y. Can you tell me star y is what? Can you tell me what is the star y?
42.
See, star of star y, that's it, right? Star of star y means what is that? Earlier I found it like 32324. 32324. I need to find out the value on top of this. The value on top of this is going to be 42. So I'll get 42. So the entire output for this program is going to be how much? This is. And one more printf statement I want to write. Please tell me what is it. Suppose if I put printf statement, because this is going to be the address, so I'm putting this, and value this is it. Okay, I'm putting star y. Can someone tell me what is the answer for this question? Can someone tell me what is the answer for this? Star.
Percentage.
Star y. Can someone tell me what is the answer for this line? I'll get error. Because this alone will give me 42. 42 on top of it star I cannot give. But on top of it 42 on top of ampersand I can give. This is right. This is right. But this is wrong. Because there is no value on top of it, but there is an address on top of it. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this line is error. So we'll get error at this line. So don't try this. So with this knowledge, based on this knowledge, can I ask you a question? Can I show you the questions which you would like to answer?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I hope you are able to answer this question. I'll give you 2 minutes or 1 minute. You please tell me what is the answer for this question. If not, you tell me, then I'll tell you. If you do not understand, can I explain it? What is the answer for this question? Can I explain it? Can I explain it, or it is okay? You tell me. This is the main method starting place and end place. This is the M1 method starting place and end place. This is the place. So I will have to always start from the main method. So the main method starts from this place. The pictorial representation for this R is this, and then 20 goes inside. Suppose 4142 and 124 is the address, assumed address. Again, what am I saying? Assuming the P1 is the pointer variable. P1 is going to be, this is the pointer variable. Suppose 54328 is the address. On top of it, I'm assigning what? Address of R. The address of R is going to be how much? 42124. The 42124 is going to be inside this. Till this, I draw a picture. This is the pictorial representation. Pictorial representation for these two variables. Yes or no? Yes or no? These two variables, I'm just putting a pictorial understanding, pictorial representation. Do you understand or not? Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
This is for main function. This is for main function. Again, I have one more M1 function. So I need to look at the M1 function. Okay, how it is. So does M1 function as the parameter or going to have a pictorial representation for P2? P2 is going to be this. That also will have the address 6132, suppose 3. But if this is the double pointer, please understand here I have a double pointer. I talked about double pointer. Double pointer only will accept single pointer address. That is the rule. Please understand. Double pointer accepts the single pointer address. Single pointer variables address, I can say that way. Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sorry, my network gone. Okay, now it comes. Okay, please tell me where I was when I was explaining where I was there. I mean, do you understand this or you want me to explain once again? Do you understand this? You want me to explain once again?
A double pointer.
Okay, do you want me to explain this?
No, sir.
You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I'm saying this in main function. I'm saying this in main function. I have one variable that AR. So I'm drawing this picture. Again, there is another pointer variable P1. So I draw the picture. I'm assigning the R's address to this P1. The R's address is this 42124. So I'm assigning that address into this. Again, what I'm creating, there is an M1 function. Here is the M1 function. M1 function has the parameter. Parameter is the P2. That is the double pointer. So I'm creating the pictorial for the double pointer. The all addresses are assumed one. Again, you know what happened? The M1 function. And I'm writing double pointer except the single pointer variable's address. This is the note or this is the rule, whatever you say it is. So here it is P2 is the double pointer parameter. Please understand, I have to say double pointer parameter. I have to say double pointer parameter. So I have to say this place. Since it is a double pointer parameter, the argument should be what? The argument should be the single pointer's address. Single pointer's address. Look at this. Ampersand. Ampersand is nothing but address of P1. Ampersand P1, which is nothing but P1's address. P1's address is what? 54328, which means I'm assigning this 54328 to this P2. Then what happens immediately? This 54328 comes to this place when I call the function. And then immediately I'm creating one variable which is the static int q equal to 10. What happens? Immediately there is a variable q which holds this. Suppose this is going to be 21243, something like that. It is assigning how much the value? 10. So this will happen this line. Okay. Then after that, what I'm assigning star P2 equal to this one, ampersand Q1. So now I have to find out what is star P1. I know P2. P2 is nothing but I know 54328. This is P2. This is P2. You can look at it and tell me P2 is this. I'm going to put star P2. What is star P2? Which is nothing but star of 54328. What is star of 54328? 54328. What is star of 54328?
42124.
42124. So what are they trying to tell me that? On that place P, put it what? On that place star P, this place. This is the place of star P. Put it what? Ampersand Q. What is ampersand Q? What is ampersand Q? 21243. So this place, please understand this place, this is going to be 21243. This is going to be how much it is? How much it is? They are replacing 2 1. This is what it is meaning. Star P means what? Star P means this place. In this place, please understand, in this place, I'm assigning what? I'm trying to assign what? Ampersand Q. And star P, I'm trying to assign star P, which is nothing but 21243. So this place will be erased and this will come. So in this place, I'll get what? 21243. This address will come to this place. That's it. After that, it will come back. Once come back, you are trying to do the printf statement. So what is there? Star P1. Where is the P1? Here is the P1. What is the star P1? Please understand star P1. What does it mean? Star of P1 means what? 21243. 21243. You tell me what is the value on 21243 values, how much it is? What is the value? 21243. What is the value on top of it? 21243 is top of it. What is that value? What is the value? 10. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir. Right.
So the output is this. Do you understand or you want me to explain once again this program? Do you understand or you want me to explain once again this program? It is okay, right? I hope you understand, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
And yes, this program. You tell me what is this. If you are okay, then tell me this program. What is the answer for this? This is quite easy, and you can answer this question. Can someone tell me what is the answer for this program? What is the output for this program? Okay, then I'll explain. Type tab. Type tab means what? Please understand. Type tab means I'm saying type tab. Please understand. Type tab int star I. See, wherever I use I, please understand, wherever I use I, that place I can replace with integer star or integer pointer. Wherever I use I, that place should be replaced with integer pointer. That is the meaning of this type tab. So look at this case. Let me come to this place. Int j equal to 10. What does it mean? So j is this, and then 10 is at this place. Suppose 41218 is the address. Again, what? A. This place we'll have to look at it now carefully. I'm saying I A equal to ampersand j. So this I is now I'm going to replace with this word. So which is nothing but what? Int star A equal to ampersand A. What is this? This is what it is. What happens when I put a pictorial representation for this? A is this points this. Suppose 32324 is the address. I'm assigning the J's address to this place. J's address is how much it is? 41218. This is what it happens entirely. The pictorial representation for this is going to be this much. Then I'm printing star A. Then after that I'm printing star A. A points which one? A points this one. Now listen please. A points 41218. On top of it star. Star means what it means? Star of what? 41218. Now I have to tell you what is the value on top of this. 41218's value. What is 41218's value?
10.
What is 41218's value?
10.
So then what would be the output for this program?
10.
10. Do you understand or you still have a doubt? You want me to explain once or it is okay?
Explain once more.
Once more. Okay, very good. So I just delete everything, then I'll explain. Okay, I'll just need to delete and then I'll explain. Okay. So one minute. Okay. See this line. This is the starting place and this is the end place. Very simple. This you should understand. So type tab. If I say type tab int star I. So what it means? Wherever I'm going to use this I, that place I have to use this. That is what the meaning of type tab. Wherever I use this I, that in I should be replaced with this. Do you understand this meaning? Do you understand this meaning? Wherever
Yes,
in my
sir.
program, if I am going to use I, that I should be replaced with int star or integer pointer. So the next line is what? Int j equal to 10. What is int j equal to 10? For a pictorial representation, first let me draw a picture for this. Okay, j is this and this is the value 10. Suppose 42324 is the address. Please understand all addresses are assumed one. Assumed address, not taking the exact address. I'm assuming this is the address. So this line is over. Next to this line, what is this? I A equal to ampersand j. Now you should understand this I is I can replace with what? Int star. Am I right or wrong? The I can be replaced with this int star or not? Yes or no? Someone please.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm replacing with what? Int star A equal to ampersand j. Okay, I'm replacing. This I is replaced with what? This one. So what it means? This is the pointer variable now. A is the pointer variable. Please understand A is the pointer variable. Now you should understand this. I told you one point, you still remember that pointer variable only accept address of the variable. Do you remember that pointer variable always accept what? Always accepts the address. So the address of the variable. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, boss? Am I right or wrong? So for this, let me draw a pictorial representation. A is the this and 52483 is the address. I'm assigning this ampersand A's J's address to A. What is the J's address now? It is 42324. I'm assigning 42324 this. That's it. This line is over. Now I have to do the printf statement, which is star A. So now you tell me star A. Star A equal to what? Okay, fine. So I know A. A is what? This is A. 42324 is the A. 42324 is the A. 42324 is the A. Star A. Star A means what? Star of 42324. So which means what? What is the value on 42324? What is the value on 42324? So 10. So the output for this program is going to be 10. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
So for this, you must know the pointers concept. You must know the fundamental pointers concept, or else you will not be able to understand. Okay, let me go to the next program. Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this program? Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this program? Is it speedy or it is okay, or any feedback would you like to give me, or can I increase the speed, or I need to talk about something else? Any idea, anything you can share me, I'll do that. Guys, is there anything to tell me? Or can I solve?
Error.
Sorry?
Will you get an error?
I didn't get you.
Result.
Oh, you're saying this will get an error, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's right answer. So since you have the fundamental and basics, that's great. So type tab. Let us understand the type tab. First, let us understand the type tab into star. And I'm saying K. So please understand, for wherever I use K, that places I am going to replace with this. So that's it. Here I have int j equal to 0, int j equal to 10. So let me draw a pictorial representation. This is my j, and 10 is going to be this place. J is this. Suppose 41218. And let me draw this. What it means, K star B equal to ampersand J. So I'm going to replace this K, because you look at this, the K can be replaced with what? Int star. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, boss? Int star. Yes or no? Tell me please. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So again, what is it? One more star presence. What is it? This B will come into this place. Ampersand J. So now what happens? Look at this. What is the scenario? It is a double pointer. What did I tell you earlier? Double pointer only will accept a single pointer address. Did I tell you or not? Double pointer accepts single pointer address variable. Am I right? Address of, say, double pointer will accept what? Did I tell you or not?
Yes, sir.
Single pointer's address. Single pointer variable's address. Did I tell you or not? Did I tell you or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is this address? This is single pointer address or else normal variables address. This ampersand J. This ampersand J is the single pointer address and normal variables address. Ampersand J is a single pointer address or normal variables address. Can you tell me?
Normal variable address.
So then it is a problem. So you will not be able to get what? The value of this. Then you will not be get what? The value of B. So error at this place. Do you understand this? You understand this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I move on? Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can someone tell me what is the answer for this program? This is the starting point and this is the end point. Okay, this is the starting point and this is the end point. You can tell me the answer for this question. People are saying 20. I mean, you are selecting somehow, or it's a compile time error, or it is okay, it doesn't print anything, or it prints 10, or it prints 20, or any idea? Did you draw the picture and understand, or you are blindly saying, let us guess and tell me, okay, this is 20. You are guessing and telling me. Can I explain this? Can I explain or no? I can move on.
Yes, sir.
What? Move on or explain?
Explain.
Okay, let us talk about main function. What is happening inside the main function? I have one variable int r equal to 20. For a pictorial representation, let me draw the first. R1. R1 points this. The value is this 20. Suppose that 41218. All addresses are assumed 1. Please keep it in your mind. The next is this. int star p2 equal to ampersand 1, which means I have an address called p2. P2 is the address. When p2 is the pointer variable, single pointer variable, here I have the p2. Okay, that has what? That will also have the address 5121, suppose 3. So the P2 assigns R1's address. What it means? It will hold what? 41218. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? P2
Yes,
will hold
sir.
what? P2 will hold this one, 41218. So this is over. This is over. Then I'm coming to function. This is now we are into function. This function. We are into this. There is a parameter. There is a parameter. Parameter is what? Single pointer. So that I have to draw a picture. Single pointer. So the P1 is this. Suppose 42523. Suppose this is the address. So I'm sending what? P2. I'm sending P2. This is a single pointer. Please understand, this is the single pointer. You should tell me single pointer. Can someone tell me single pointer except what? Single pointer except what?
Normal.
Value.
Address. So, but what I'm sending here? What I'm sending is sending P2. Sending P2. P2 is what? Now P2 is what? Sending P2. What is P2?
Pointer.
Address.
41218. 41218 is normal variable's address or pointer variable's address? 41218 is normal variable's address. So that's it. Here it is going to be 41218. So no problem. This is right. Okay. Hope you understand or not. The P2 holds what? The P2 holds 41218, boss. So I'm sending the P2 directly. That 41218 is again the address of the normal variable only. So it is a no problem. So the P1 receives 41218. No problem. You got to know? You understand this? You understand or not? Understand or not?
Understand, sir.
Okay. Then this line is going to work. Then this line is going to work. This line. So this is line. Okay, let me draw the picture again. The name of the variable name is, what is it? Q1. Suppose this is going to be 62323. 62322. This is the address. What is the value out of it on the top of it? 10. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? So the next one is I'm assigning P1 to ampersand Q1. What does it mean? What is P1? This one. What is P1? This one is the P1. P1 address is this. P1 address is this. I mean P1 equal to what it means. It is always 41218. I'm assigning that the P1 place. What I'm assigning? Q's address, which means 62323. So which means what? This place will be deleted and this place will have what? 62322. This place will be 62322. That's it. After that, it comes back to this method. Again, the printf will execute. Now, what is it? P2. P2 means what? As P2 is how much now? 41218. P2 points this 41218. Nothing else, right? P2 points 41218. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On top of it, star. On top of it, star. What it means? Star of 41218. What is this?
20.
41218 values what? 20. So that this place I'll get output is how much it is? 20.
20.
Do you understand? Are you able to catch my points and you are able to understanding the concepts of pointers or no? These are the questions which was asked in a company, so I have taken these questions. If you are able to answer these questions, I think probably you are able to answer questions from the company. Company will definitely ask you questions which are related to based on the pointers. And these are the very fundamental and very important. Okay. Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this question? Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this question? Only two options. You can choose this or that. You can tell me either this or that. If condition, if else condition. You can tell me either this or some people can choose the same or some people can choose a not same. Anything is okay, no? However, it is going to be right. Any one of you choose. Okay. Tell me what is the exact answer? How do you think about it? How do you solve this problem? Any idea? Can I solve it or can I explain it? You want me to explain or it is okay, sir?
Explain, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me explain. Okay. Let me explain. Let me explain. Okay, please listen. See, this is the character array. This is the character array. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Please talk to me. Someone of
Yes, sir.
you, please. So let me give a pictorial representation. Let me give a pictorial representation. The character array. Can someone tell me what is the byte size for character? Can someone tell me what is the byte size for a character?
1.
Yes, you are right. For a character, the size is going to be 1 byte. So what is the name of the array now? It is ARR. Okay, let's do it. So here it is going to be 1, here it is going to be 2, and here it is going to be 3. Yes, of course, here it is nothing. Can someone tell me what is this one? 2. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, boss?
Right, sir.
So rather than this, can I explain what is array and all that? Can we come back to this code? Shall we understand what is an array, and then shall we come back to this question? First of all, let us understand. Shall we do that? 5-10 minutes. 5-10 minutes. Shall we understand what is array, how it works, what is and that, this and all that? Then shall we come back to this place, or will that gives you the best idea to think about it? This problem. Shall we discuss that
Okay, sir.
for a 5-10 minutes? Okay.
Okay.
Is that okay? Okay. Okay, give me like 5-10 minutes. I'll explain what is it. Array. Okay, let's think about it. Let me give you an example for array. And 1 minute, please hold on. Okay. Okay. Listen, I have an array. I have an array. Look at this. Suppose I have 4, 8, 3, 6, and 2. These are the array elements. And you must know that the byte size for integer is 4 byte. Someone all accept, or you have any doubt on this? The size of the integer is 4 byte, 32 bit. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Anything would you like to oppose, or is that okay, sir? 32 byte is fine, 4 byte. Is there anything to ask me? Got it? Guys, anything is there to tell me? Come on, quick, no time. We'll need to discuss.
No, sir, you can continue.
Okay, fine. So let me understand now. Okay. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. So that it will arrange this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The name of the array is going to be, the 4 will stay at this place, 8 this place, and 3 is this place, 6 is 3 this place, 2 is this place. Okay. So this index position is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. The size of the each integer is going to be 4 byte. Suppose, let me consider, please, this is my consideration. This place address is 2000. This place address will be definitely 2004, because you know the each byte, each size is 4 byte. This is 4 byte. This cap is 4 byte, and 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 this cap is 4 byte. So if this is 2000, this becomes 2004, and this becomes 2008, and this becomes 2012, and this becomes 2016. Suppose if I consider the first address as 2000. Suppose I consider, please understand, suppose I consider this is 2000. Hope you understand. Hope you understand or not? Hope you understand or not, boss? You can ask me any questions. Okay. Very, very important point. Very important point. Please understand. A ampersand A ampersand A of 0. A ampersand A of 0. All will give me the first element's address. All 3 will give me the first element's address. A ampersand A or ampersand A of 0. All 3 will give me the first element's address. You understand or not? You understand or not?
Yes, yes.
Since all three is going to give me the first element's address. Now I'm going to talk about A plus 1. A plus 1 is what?
1000.
A summers it is 2000 plus 1 is what? 1. What is the result I'll get? What is the result I'll get?
2004.
2004. Why it is 2004? 2000 plus 1 into 4. Why it is 4? Because my integer size is how many bits? My integer size is how many bytes it is going to be? 4 byte. So that I'll get what? 2000 plus 1 into 4 is going to be how much? 4. So that I'll get 2004. If I do a plus 2, which is nothing but what? 2000 plus 2, in this case, it is going to be how much it is? 2000 plus 2 into 4, which is going to be how much it is? 2008. 2008. Hope you understand or not? Hope you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Hope you understand or not? Okay. Okay. Suppose I do this way, in the star P, P equal to A plus 5. If I print up this P, percentage U star, I mean, this is it. Can someone tell me what is the answer for this program?
1020.
See, what is the A value is going to be? I assumed it is 2000. So A plus 5 means how much it is? 2000 plus 5 into 4, which is going to be how much it is? 2020. So in this place, according to me, I'll get 2020. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I do this way, that star P, can someone tell me what is the answer for this line? This line.
5.
Getting my point or not? Can someone tell me what is the answer for this line? Print of statement percentage d slash n, I'm putting star P. Because you know, in companies in the first round, the people ask you the MCQ or the questions which are all based out what in pointers. Definitely you should know this all fundamentals. If you know these fundamentals, you are able to answer these questions. Hope you understand or not? Understand or not? Am I going speed or it is okay? Am I teaching properly or it is not good?
You are
Would like to tell
teaching
me anything?
properly, sir.
Sorry?
You are teaching properly.
Properly.
Sir, you'll get errors.
Sorry, boss. I didn't get you. Your voice is breaking somewhere.
Error.
Sorry, boss.
Error. Answer.
Error. No error. You don't get error. So I'll explain. I'll explain. Can I explain it? Can I explain it, boss? Can I explain it? I'm saying
Yes, sir. Yes.
A plus 5. A plus 5 is how much it is? 2020. Am I right? A plus 5 is going to be 2020. You still remember? A plus 5 is going to be 2020. 2020 means this place address. This place's address is going to be how much? 2020. Am I right? Am I right or
Yes. Yes.
this place address is going to be 2020. So that is what I'm doing. What? A star P. Star P is nothing but what? Star of 2020. Do you have any value on 2020? Do you have any value on 2020 in this place? Do you have any
No.
value or not? So this will be a garbage value. But when it gives 2020 the address, but you are putting top of star, then it is going to be the garbage value. It doesn't have any value, right? Right or no?
Yes, sir.
Right
Yes.
or no? Okay.
Right,
Hope you
sir.
hope you understand. Hope you understand.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And you tell me now this code P. I am giving P equal to A plus 5. And you will have to tell me in printf statement, I'm giving percentage d slash n P minus 1 on top of it star.
2.
What is the answer for this question?
2.
2.
P is how much it is? P is 2020. P minus 1, which is nothing but 2020 into minus 4, which is going to be 2016. 2016 means what? This place. On top of it star. On top of it star means what is the value? 2. The output is this. So the people will ask you a questions based out of this. The people will ask you a question based out of this. They'll not ask you blindly. Do you understand these concepts or you do not understand these concepts? Am I going okay, or I wanted to speed up, or you want me to teach you some program, or I wanted to teach you how to manipulate the array, how to do the array process, or you want me to teach you those, or it is okay, sir, teach me the concepts and probably the next day you can teach us the how to do manipulations, how to work on arrays, how to work on characters or strings and all that. You can tell me tomorrow, or you can teach me today the concepts. Is that okay, or you want me to teach you something? You have anything to teach you?
So you can teach in your order.
Okay, is this okay? You understand this concept?
Yes.
Taking notes, or it is okay? You understand? You are able to catch me, right?
Yes.
Okay, can I move on?
Yes.
Okay, now I am going to tell you the same. I don't remember the numbers. I just wanted to put some numbers. What was the number? You remember those numbers? 1, 2, 3. Please tell me the numbers. What I used. 0, 1, 2, 3. And you remember? This is 8 and this is going to be 12 and this anyway, you remember or not? 48362, right? Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
48362. Now the next topic is this. Now this topic is this. You have to tell me int star p1 is equal to int star p1 is equal to a. Int star p2 equal to a plus 5. Printf statement %d / n p2 minus p1. Tell me the output.
Five.
I'm waiting for your output.
20,000.
What is this place I'll get? What is this place I'll get? This place is, of course, you know it is 2000. Am I right? A is 2000, right? This always
Yes,
it points
yes.
the base address first. And what is A plus 5? What is A plus 5?
2020.
2020.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Can you tell me now it is 2020 minus 22,000? Can someone tell me what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? That's not the answer, right? I'm asking. See, P2 minus P1. P2 is this and
20.
P1 is this. So I'll get 20. But I should not leave it as it is, because it is no minus is nothing but arithmetic operation. So if I do the arithmetic operation, because doing it on what data type? This is an integer data type. I'm doing it in integer data type, so I must divide by 4. So which is going to be 5. So the output for this is going to be 5. Do you understand or not? Do you understand or not?
Yes.
So the output for this program is how much?
5.
5. Hope you understand. I hope you understand, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you are going to tell me now P2. I'm converting this as a character pointer. Sorry, I need a space so that let me write it a little. I need a space, okay. Comma. I'm converting this as the P2 and again P1. Now you tell. Come on, tell me the answer.
20.
Okay, let's understand. Let's understand. Already P2 is 20, right? P2 is 2020, right?
Yes.
The character pointer. And this is also what character pointer. And what was the value? This is 2000, right? See, P1 is 2. I hope you understand. Yeah, this is P2 is 2020. This is 2000. I'm just putting that place as yeah. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm converting this as the character pointer. Since it is going to be character pointer, no character size is going to be 1 byte. So I'm converting it. So this is going to be 2020 and this is going to be 2020. I mean 22. So if it is a character pointer, what is the size of this? This is going to be 1 byte. Earlier this was an integer pointer. This was an integer pointer. So it was like 4. Now it is what? 20 minus 20, you'll get what? 20 divided by 1. 20 divided by 1 is how much it is? 20. So the output for this program is 20. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 486362. 48362. Let me draw once again. 48362. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48362, and this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The name of the other is A, and this is going to be 2000, and this is going to be 2004, and this is going to be 2008, and this is going to be 2006. Suppose this is going to be 2000. Sorry, this is going to be 2012. This is going to be 2016, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now you are going to tell me. So ampersand A is what?
2000.
2000. Okay.
2000.
Ampersand A plus 1 is what?
2004.
2004.
2004. For ampersand A plus 1, why people are leaving? I think it is not able, I mean, this class is not able to catch, I mean, this is going fast or not able to catch me or not able to travel with me. Is there any problem? Is there any problem, guys?
No, sir, it's
Going speedy or
fine.
not fundamentally it is not right or anything problem with this training? Why the people are leaving? I think there were about 38, now it is 30. What is happening? Why so it is? Shall we close the session or what? Need to close or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tell me what is your expectation for the result? 2000 plus 1, which is nothing but what? 2000 plus 1 into 4, because integer is going to be 2004. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong? Please understand
Yes,
this
sir.
K. Huh? Hello? Yes, sir. You're telling yes, sir.
In
Right?
parenthesis.
Sorry?
A plus 1 is not in
Parenthesis. I
parenthesis.
don't. Sorry, I didn't get you, boss. This ampersand A is entire parenthesis. This ampersand A takes entire parenthesis address. Parenthesis address. That's what you are trying to tell me, right, boss? That's what you are trying to tell me, boss. Yes or no? So this is wrong.
Inside the parenthesis.
Yes. So this is not right. So ampersand A plus 1 means I should put what? Ampersand A means what, you know? I'll tell you the simple way to calculate this. 2000 plus how many times it is? 1. After 2000, how many elements are there? After 2000, how many elements are there? After 2000. After 2000, this element, right? After that, how many elements are remaining?
4.
So just multiply it 4 into 4. How many times I'm adding? No, 1. Just add 1. That's it. Plus again, because of this 1 into 4. You have to do this. So automatically it becomes 2000 plus 4 into 4 is going to be 16. Plus this is 1 into 4 is going to be 4A. And this is going to be 2020. So that ampersand A plus 1 is going to be this address, not 2004. Damn. Hope you understand. Hope you understand. This value you will get. This is what? This value is what? 2020. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hope you understand. Hope you
Yes.
understand.
Yes.
So this is how it is. It takes the entire parenthesis address. Okay. Okay. Suppose if I put this, you tell me then star P P equal to ampersand A plus 1 in printf statement. If I put percentage D slash N star P, what is the answer for this question?
Junk value.
What is the output I'll get for this question?
Garbage value.
Junk value or garbage value. Why it is junk value? Because you number send A 1 plus will come out how much? So 2020 is the after our address. After our address only it is 2020. Can you please hold on for a second? 1 second, please. 1 second. Hello? 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 Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the answer for this question? See, I told you that P holds how much it is? Ampersand A plus 1. Ampersand A plus 1, how much the value I got? 2020. 2020 means this cell address. Am I right? The P
Yes,
holds the
sir.
cell address, yes or no? 6.
Yes.
So I'm putting star P. Star P is nothing but what a star of 2020. Can someone tell me what is star of 2020 value?
Garbage value.
Garbage value. So that this place I'll get what? Garbage value. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Got it. But
Yes.
in other case that if I do this way, one more printf statement. If I put percentage D and put slash n, P minus 1 on top of it star, can someone tell me what would be the answer? Suppose P minus 1 on top of it star. P is how much it is? 2020. P minus 1 is how much it is? 2020 minus 4. Then this is going to be 2016. Star 2016. Star 2016 means what? This is going to be how much? This is going to be how much? The value of this 2016, right? The value of 2016,
Yes.
right or
Yes.
wrong?
Yes.
What is the
Yes.
value of 2016? What is the value of 2016?
2,
What is the
sir.
value of 2016?
2.
So 2. So the output, the output, yes, 2. So the output for this program is how much? The output for this program is going to be how much? Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, boss?
Right, sir.
Okay. Shall we go to the questions?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go back to the questions? So now tell me what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? This is my starting place and this is my end place. How the picture supposed to look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Suppose the array name is A. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5 and this is 6. This is 0th index, this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. Suppose this is 2008, this is going to be 2012, this is going to be 2016 and 2020. And what is ampersand A plus 1? Ampersand A plus 1 is nothing but what? 2020, the entire address. I mean 2000 plus 5 into 4 plus 1 plus 1 into 4. So how much it is? 2000 plus 20 plus 4. It's going to be how much? 2024, right? 2024 means this place. Am I right or wrong? This place is going to be 2024. Am I right or wrong, boss? Right or wrong? That PTR stores. So that PTR is going to get what? 2024. The PTR is going to hold what? 2024. So that I'm again what? PTR minus 1. What is PTR minus 1? 2024 minus 1, which is nothing but 2024 minus 1 into 4. So how much I'll get? 2020. PTR minus 1. So on top of it, PTR minus 1, what is the value? Sort of 2020. So what is this value? 2020 value is how much? 2020 value is how much?
6.
6. So the result for this is going to be 6. Am I right or wrong? Right or wrong?
Yes.
Right, sir.
Suppose this place, if I put 2, what is the value? Suppose instead of 1, if I put 2, what is the value? Instead of 1, if I put 2, what would be the value?
5.
5.
5. If I put 3, what is the value?
4.
4 means I'll get 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
5
Yes,
means
sir.
I'll get 2. 6 means I'll get 1. 7 means what is the value? Instead of 1, if I get 7, what is the value?
Garbage value.
Garbage value. Yes, you are right. Okay. One small question which I want to ask you. Can I put A plus plus? See, now I'm putting this case into star P equal to A, and I can give what? P equal to P plus 1. These are all correct. We know this. But instead of that, can I put A plus A, I mean, plus A or A plus
Yes.
name?
No, sir.
Why no?
Because A, when you write A like that, it is the address of the whole array. So you can't do like that.
No. It is not the whole array. It is a constant. Once it is fixed, first it is fixed. So it is fixed with this array, this value. So you cannot change it, but you can hold it and you can add it. Like, put it integer star P and P holds the A. That is okay, and then you can do. Similarly, A plus 1. What is exactly A plus 1 or A plus plus? A plus plus and A plus 1. What is the difference between these two? Looks like same. What is the difference exactly?
The first one again say, then in which the value is A.
No, speak little loud. I can't hear you, boss. So A plus plus is nothing but what? I'm changing the value from this to this place. I'm changing the entire value to this. Anymore, no point this. I'm saying A plus plus means don't point anymore this one. Anymore. If I put A plus plus or plus A. But if I put this, A will point this, but the control move on what? The index position 1. You understand what is A plus 1 and A plus plus? A plus plus means whatever the A point this address, entirely that A has to go to the next address. But if I put A plus plus A plus 1 means the control has to come to this index position 1. If I put A plus 2 means the control has to come to this index. That's why that index, in this index I'm putting A plus 2 means A plus 2 into 4, it is going to be what? See, A plus 2 means what? A plus 2 into 4. That's what it is meaning. A plus 2 into 4. Along with it adding. You understand this? So that please don't do this A plus plus as well as plus plus A. This is already fixed constant. You cannot do. If you find anywhere else, it is a compile timer. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Anything else would you like to tell me? So I think we solved this and then we solved this and then we solved this and then we solved this. And you tell me now, this was the question which we were trying to tell. Tell me now, what happens? This was the one we were talking. Can you tell me what is the answer for this question? All right. Character has how many array bytes? Character will have 1 byte. Character will have 1 byte. Character will have 1 byte. First address is suppose 2000. Second is 2001. Suppose third is 2002. These are the values. Suppose I'm assigning what character star P. That P is assigned to ARR. ARR is this first address. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? P holds first address 2000. Am I right or wrong after this line? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm saying this please understand this. So what does it mean? P is this holds 2000 and this is suppose 4232 suppose they are checking ampersand P equal to ampersand A. Ampersand ARR was what? Ampersand ARR is also 2000, right? Ampersand ARR is also 2000. I told you no. ARR, ampersand ARR of 0 ampersand all will give me what? First address. Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right or
Right,
wrong?
sir.
All will give me the first address. So what is this ampersand R? Ampersand R again is going to give me 2000. What is ampersand P? What is ampersand P?
42324.
42324. Is this 42324 equal to 2000? 1 minute please hold on. Announcement is comes. Okay, 1 minute please. Okay, tell me, is it equal 2000 or not equal? If condition will get pass or fail. If condition
equal.
will get pass or fail.
Not equal.
So this will this is error, false. So false means this. What is the result I'll get?
Not say.
Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I think you are able to answer this question. Can someone tell me what is the answer for this question? This is my starting place and end point, and this is my starting place and end place. What are you expecting for this output?
Sir, 321.
2.
3, 2, 1. What is your name, boss?
Sir, 2121. Sorry, 21.
2, 1. Right? Okay, what is your name? What is your name?
Naeem, sir.
Okay. 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 So tell me the feedback. How is the class course as such? Is it good or bad or okay? Getting know some ideas, understanding things are okay. Any feedback would you like to give me?
Good,
It's
sir.
good.
Sorry?
Good only, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can I explain this program, how it comes, what is the result? Can I explain? Can I explain? Can I explain or okay? You don't need
Yes,
me.
sir. Explain.
Okay.
Heard about the name regression. Heard
Yes.
about this name
Yes,
regression.
yes.
Can someone tell me what is regression? First you tell me, then I'll explain.
A function calling itself.
This is the function calling itself. So it is called what? Recursion. Okay. Okay. Give me 1 minute. I'll delete this. I'll explain once again. Just 1 minute. Okay. Now I'm going to explain this code. Recursion means I know calling a function itself is called recursion. So this is the starting point and this is the end point of this main method. Okay, fine. So one concept I'm going to tell you, tracing tree. Tracing tree. Heard about this name? Tracing tree? Heard about this or not? Tell me quickly.
No, sir.
Heard about this. Okay. So what is the function 3? This n becomes how much it is now? 3. Am I right? Can I say it is a function 3? Can I say it or not? Come on, quick.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Come on, quick. This becomes the 3, right? So the 3 is greater than 0. Condition true or false? 3 is greater than 0. Condition true or false? True. So how many lines are there inside this if condition? How many lines are there exactly? 1 line, 2 lines. Yes or no? How many lines are there inside? 1 line, 2 lines. Yes or no? Come on quick, no time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So since 3 is greater than 0, it comes down. Function n minus 1. Immediately the first line will execute. Again, n minus 1 means n is 3. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. But do you think the printf statement will execute or not execute as such? Will it work or not? Because you are calling function n minus 1, no, it start calling this function. Which means this printf statement will work or not? Will work or not? Now.
It's work.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
It won't
will
work.
not. It won't work. It will be empty. The printf will not work because this function here n minus 1 will get start executes. So by the time n is going to be 2. By the time n is going to be 2. So this is empty, not working. So I am putting empty. Not empty. I am putting empty. Okay. Now it is 2. So which means again 2. This is okay. Now it is n minus n greater than 0. Which means 2 greater than 0. 2 greater than 0 means condition true. Again it comes inside. Again this function. So again this function n is 2. 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. Am I right or wrong? So do you think this printf statement now it is works? No, it doesn't work. This time also it won't work. So this function 1 is also coming to this. Now it becomes 1. So 1 is greater than 0. Condition true or false? Condition true or false? N is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. Condition true or false?
True, true.
So again it comes. So this n minus 1. This n minus 1 means what? 1 minus 1. It becomes 0. It becomes 0. N minus 1. 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. What it means, the n becomes 0. The n becomes 0. By the time 0 greater than 0, this will not work. Here also this will not work. Since, look at this, since 0 greater than 0, the condition fails, entirely the method will not work. So this result is 0. This result, I am talking about this result is 0. You got it or not? Got it or not? Got it or not, boss?
Got
So
it, sir.
after completing this function, entire function calling, this will go back. This is called returning time or returning phase. You can call it as returning phase. So now from this to this it goes back. By the time this will execute, the printf statement execute. What is the value of n now? What is the value of n now here? What is the value of n this place? What is the value of n? By seeing this, you can tell me what is the value of this place. So this will be 1. So it prints. So what is the output now will get? 1 will get because it prints 1. Then again from this to it goes back, returning phase. By the time it executes the printf statement, what is the value of n now? What is the value of n now?
2.
2. So 2 will get prints. So 2 get prints. So again it goes back this one. By the time this printf executes, what is the value of n? What is the value of n?
3.
3. So 3 prints. This is the output. Do you understand or no, you don't understand? Do you understand or you want me to explain separately and come back to this place? But no time, I think. Do you understand or not? This is the recursion, real concept.
Yes, sir.
Understand, right?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay, output is what? 1, 2, 3. Output is what? 1, 2, 3 is the output. Can I go to next program? This is called tracing tree. This is called tracing tree. Okay, let me go to the next program. You tell me now what is the output. This is starting place and this is the end place. And this is it. You have to tell me what is the output. This is again recursion. This is again recursion. This is again
15.
recursion. How much I'll get?
15.
What is the how much? How much?
1 5.
Who's this? What is your name? Who's this? What is your name? Can I explain it? Can I explain it or no?
Explain, sir.
Okay. So now it is function n is going to be 5. So comes inside. 5 is greater than 0 or not? 5 is greater than 0 or not? 5 is greater than 0 or not? Someone tell me.
Greater, sir.
Greater than.
Okay, it immediately comes down and then this return, this will execute. This will execute. Then what happened? This is function. What is n minus 1 now? It is going to be
4.
5 minus 1, 4. Do you think this will execute? Do you think this will execute? This will not execute. Why? Because this tries to call again the function. This will call back this. This will not execute. This is empty. Okay. By the time what is n? N is going to be how much it is? 4. N is 4. Again what happened? The 4 is greater than 0. Again it comes in. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Again it is going to be how much? N minus 1. N minus 1 is going to be 3 plus this will not work. This addition will not work. Again it is going to work. N is how much it is now? 3. 3 is greater than 0. Condition is true. Again the function is going to work 2. But by the time again this will not work. Again it comes down this is. So 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. Again this is empty. Again this is going to work. Function 1 minus 1 is how much? 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. This will not work. This all the SSR will not work. So here you know what is f of function of 0 will get? What is function of 0 will get? 0. You know, if it is going to be 0, it is going to be, n is going to be 0. It gives me what? N is 0. What is the value? I'll get 0. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, boss? So this entire result which I'm going to get is 0. This entire result. Can you tell me what is the place? What is the answer? What is the value of this place? N is how much it is? N is how much now it is?
0.
Here, look at this. What is n value?
1.
1. Now add 0 plus 1. Now add 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is how much?
1.
1.
1. So this place is going to be 1. This place is going to be 1. Now change this place to, because this place the n value is how much it is 2. This is the n value. Add these two. 1 plus 2. How much it is? 1 plus 2 is how much?
3.
How much 1 plus 2?
3.
1 plus 2, 3. 3. Here tell me what is n value?
3.
5.
What is n value? 3. Here what is 3 value? Add these two. What is the value I'll get? 6. Tell me what is the value I'll get this place? 4. This is going to be how much? 10. You tell me this place. 5. 10 plus 5 is how much?
15.
10 plus 5 is how much? 15. So the output is going to be how much? 15. Do you understand or no? However, please understand, you definitely will get one question from this recursion in all the company test. 200% you will get one question from this all. You definitely get one question from all companies question papers. Recursion is compulsory. Do you understand? Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
One question is compulsory. One question is compulsory from this area. Recursion is compulsory in all the companies almost. You got to know something or you don't understand anything, or I was teaching speedy, or it is okay, sir, you are teaching okay, and anything else would you like to tell me? Any feedback would you like to give me? Is it okay?
It's okay, sir. It's fine. Completely fine.
Okay. So you know that TCS NQT is going to happen next month, 24, 25, 26. You know all that? Okay, okay. You know that next month is TCS is going to happen. You are all eligible, maybe, probably. So because second one, they have 10 multiple choice question, and they are going to ask one problem for 15 minutes, another problem for I think 30 minutes. For that, you should assist giving this. But by the way, I am able to explain how to write the code also in C. I can write a code and I can solve problems. I can solve problems, different problems in array. I can solve problems in data structures. I can solve problems strings. I can solve problem sequences and many things. Okay, fine. Let's go to this. Can someone tell me what would be the answer for this question? I think we discussed the same question. Can you tell me what is the answer for this question? Can you tell me what is the answer for this question? Can you tell me or not? Two, three, four, six. A, R, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. And suppose this is 2000, this is going to be 2004, and this is going to be 2008, and this is going to be 2012, this is 16, this is going to be 2020. Is going to be what? PTR, ARR, which is going to be PTR2 is going to be how much? PTR2 is going to be ARR plus 5. ARR plus 5 means this address. 2000 plus 5 means how much it is? 2000. Can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes,
can you hear
sir.
me? Okay, sorry, the net went out and came in. Okay, fine. So I think you can hear me, right? Okay, this was the question. Then PTR2 is going to be how much it is? 20. PTR is going to be 2020. So here I'm doing it what? Here I'm doing it what? PTR2 minus PTR1. So 2020 minus 2000. So how much it is? 20. 20. But here I have to do integer. 20 by 4 is going to be how much? 5. So that this place I'll get what? 5. Am I right? Am I right
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Am I right or not?
Right,
Can you hear me?
sir.
Hello guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello, hello. This hope you understand the previous one question. Tell me the answer for this question. Okay, what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Guys, are you there? Hello, can you hear me? Can you?
Yes, sir. Yes, we can hear.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Yes.
One,
Okay.
two, three,
Yes, you can
four.
tell me. Feedback is. Yes, almost I'm done. What was your saying? 1, 2.
Sir, we can't hear you.
One, two. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what is the answer for this question. Do you have any idea what is the answer for this question?
One, two, five, 10.
1, 2, 5, 10. So 4, 3, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means no. You are wrong. You are wrong. No 1, 2, 5, 10. It is something different. You need to know the data type concepts. You know the data type. You must know the data type concept. You must learn data type concept.
1, 2, 3, 4, sir.
No.
Explain, sir.
Yes, almost we are winding up, right? Because it needs about half an hour plus to understand the data types. It needs minimum half an hour to understand what data type. To understand data type, it needs a half an hour minimum. And also, I have one more problem similar to this. Can you see this other question? Can you
Yes.
see the other question? This is also
Yes.
kind of what? Here also you must know data type. See, you will definitely get questions. Data types, please understand, you will get data types. One question definitely you will get. And a recursion, you will get one question definitely. And array pointer, you will get one question. These are the compulsory, almost every question. And these are the concepts. And also you will get character pointer, one question. These are all like, we can confirm this. Any company you go and see, they'll ask questions based out of this. To know this, you know the fundamental and basics. And this is the last question. Probably you are able to answer this question. This is very simple. And those two I'm stopping because you need data type and data type concepts. Can someone tell me what is the answer for this question? What is this? Can I explain it and finish up? 1, 2,
2.
3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be 4 and 5. A is this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Suppose this is going to be 2000, suppose this is going to be 2004, and this is 2008, and this is 2012, and this is 2016. Suppose PTR is A, which is nothing but 2000. So I'm adding PTR plus 1. So PTR plus 1 is nothing but what? 2000 plus 1, which is nothing but 2000 plus 4, which is nothing but 2004. Star of PTR plus 1 is going to be star of 2004. The value of this 2004 value is 2. So the output for this is 2. So the output for this program is 2. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the remaining things I wanted to tell you, these two. This is, you must know the data types. You definitely will take half an hour, minimum half an hour to 40 minutes. Once you understand those, I mean half an hour is enough at least. You understand this, then you are able to answer this question, but not now. Okay. Probably tomorrow I'll teach this, and probably I'll solve some problems. I'll give you the trick how to solve some problems. Which trick you're supposed to follow, I'll talk about it tomorrow. So any feedback would you like to tell me?
Session was good, sir.
Okay. So any other feedback?
Good session, sir. We were able to understand the concepts.
Okay, awesome session. Okay. So what else? What else?
It was interactive
Yes.
session.
Yes, really good session.
Why? I mean, I thought more people will come and join and ask more questions, and I thought a lot of students will come and join. Why not? Why it is like only some 30 students plus join? Why? What happened? So
Sir, can you do more questions tomorrow, sir?
yes, definitely it is possible to do more questions, but only thing is that people should understand, not necessarily. I mean, it is not that only one person understand everything. The remaining are all not understanding. Then it is not good in the session. But if you learn directly to me, then it is okay. I can teach you more and more problems because I can solve you about some 100 or 200 problems. Then you will be in a strong to solve all kind of MCQ questions. But by the way, you learn data structure, then you are able to solve problems with the company. When the product based companies comes, they ask you to write a code. No, they'll give you scenarios like they'll give you a problem array. They want you to sort the array, or they want you to reverse the array, or they want you to rotate the array, or you want you to block out on particular elements mid of the array and take that array elements, and you do what concatenate those elements, and remaining elements should be added, something like that. They can ask. All that you can do. See, that all I can do. Not only array, I can do anything. I mean, everything. Please tell me what any other feedback or anything. You want me to do more problem? Let's do. That's what. Anything else? Anything else, buddy? Will you tell other friends to join tomorrow? Will you
Yes,
recommend?
sir.
Will you recommend other friends to join tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, recommend other friends to join this. Just 2 hours, right? They don't lose anything. They learn things, definitely. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else you want to ask me, you can ask me. I'm there. Okay, I'm done. Anything else you would like to ask me? Yes, please ask me. Any questions? No questions. Any questions? No questions. Yes, I think I'm done. Then Sri Lakshmi.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us
Thank you.
such
Thank you.
powerful insight to the world of programming and for giving such a cross-dimensional perspective to a multifaceted topic such as coding and making it extremely edifying and engaging. It has been an absolute honor and privilege to have you here with us. And many students have not been able to join us back in Kerala because due to bad weather conditions. So I apologize on their behalf. On behalf of IEEE Link, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Mr. Rajendran Subramanian for joining us even amidst this very busy schedule. Thank you so much, sir, once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you to all the participants for being a part of today's session. We hope to see you tomorrow with much more vigor and enthusiasm. Until we meet again, have a great time programming. With this, we shall end today's session. Thank you once again, and you may leave the meeting room.
Thank you.